Kia ora, haere mai anō ki no Frills te Reo Māori. Firstly, I pēhea tō kirihimete I te rawiki. Ka rawe, ka pai. In this clip we're going to be talking about the time. Te wā, te taima, rānei. When asking the time, native speakers may say kua aha te taima or kai te aha te taima. In this clip, when asking what is the time, we're going to be saying he aha te wā. There's many ways. We're going to be keeping it simple. It's not a matter of being lazy, it's just a matter of keeping it simple. And just a refresher for levels 2 and 3, he aha te wā. So if the time is on the hour, for example 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, we would answer ditarara karaka. Remembering tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, tekau, tekau mā tahi, tekau mā rua. For example, he aha te wā? Toru karaka. It's 3 o'clock. He aha te wā? Tekau mā tahi karaka. It's 11 o'clock. We're going to whip over. I'm going to ask one question at the beginning of these examples. We're going to flick through about 6 or 7 examples of the time, and either in your head or saying out loud, you've got about 4 seconds to give an answer. It'll make sense shortly. Let's head over there now. He aha te wā? Alrighty, I pēhea tērā, how was that? Ka pai, as a quick recap, if it's on the hour, all you've got to know is your numbers in te Reo Māori from 1 to 12, then chuck on a karaka afterwards. Right, I've zoomed in a bit so you can see this. In this segment, all we're going to focus on is half past, quarter past, and quarter to. That's it. Half past, quarter to. For half past, remember this word, haurua. And for quarter to and quarter past, hau whā. What do you notice? Haurua, rua. There's 2 halves in an hour, half past. Whā, whā. There's 4 quarters in an hour, quarter past, quarter to. Now afterwards there's an ite or a kite. Now how I remember this is, on the right hand side of the clock, by rights it should be ite. On the left hand side, so from 6 to 12, it should be a ki. Remember ki meaning 2. Ki, 2. So, and you know this, we've just covered this. Ditarara karaka. Let's get cracking. He aha te wā? It's 5:30. We're going to go to this one. Haurua I te rima karaka. It's 5:30. He aha te wā? Well, it's 10:30. Go back to the board. Haurua I te tekau karaka. What I want you to do, get rid of the distractions around you. Hover your finger over the pause button. I'm going to give 5 times. I want you to pause it and I want you to give me an answer. 10:30. 6:30. 11:30, 3:30, and 12:30. Ka rawe. For example, 12:30, that last answer, if you said something along the lines of haurua, ite, tekau mā rua, karaka, tekau mā rua, 12, karaka, ka pai. Right, quarter past. It's the same. I, it's on the right hand side of the clock from 12 to 6. So, quarter past 5. What's it going to be? How far ite, rima, karaka. 5:15. What about 5:45? How far? Ki te rima karaka. Make sense? Once again, hover that finger over the pause button. We're going to go between how far, ki, and how far, e. 2:45, 2:15. Pause it, give an answer, and then press play. Let's get cracking. 10:15. 10:45. 3:15. 1:45. And 4:15. Ka pai. Right, let's head to our next segment. Alrighty, I've saved the best to last. This is where you really get to show off. I've left the board blank because you'll be giving the answers. So, hea ha te taima? What if I say it's 10:05? Or hea ha te taima? It's 6:50. So we're getting a bit more specific with our times. It's 4:18. We're going to keep the round numbers for now. So use the example. Oh, it's 10:05. How would you say that in Te Reo Māori? It's 10:05. 5 rima. So you would start with rima, meneti. Meneti, minutes. E, it's on the right hand side of the clock. Ite, tekau, 10, karaka. It's 10:05. Rima meneti, ite tekau, karaka. Anō, rima meneti, ite tekau, karaka. What if I was going to go on to the left hand side of the clock? So we're looking at ki, 2. Let's just say, hea ha te taima? Oh, it's 6:50. 6:50. Tekau, meneti, ki, te whitu, karaka. Anō, tekau meneti, ki te whitu, karaka. It's 10 minutes to 7. Right, get ready on that pause button. I'm going to write some times up. You're going to hit pause. You're going to come up with the answer. 11:05. 7:50. 7:15. 9:40. Ka pai. I'm going to put the answer to that in the narrative below this video. I'm sure you'll be fine. If not, repetition, go back. This video will always be here. I believe in you. Right, I have a challenge for you. Stand by. Ka nui tērā. That's a whole lot of info, and for some of you it may be the first time you've ever even tried to speak about time in Te Reo Māori. Kia kaha, hang in there. I'm convinced Te Reo Māori starts in the house, and it doesn't matter who you live with. You could have 6 children, or you could be living with your ngeru. Kōrero ki tō ngeru, if that's what it takes. And my challenge to you, heading into 2021, is simply this. How often do we ask, what is the time? What's the time? We say it without even thinking. That one sentence, I want you to start saying, he aha te wā. He aha te taima. Whether it's to your cat, if your cat gives you a blank look, hang in there. Don't worry about your cat. He aha te wā. If you can do that, then you start to think in Te Reo Māori. I say that because that's what's helping me anyway. So, kia kaha, kia maia, kia manawa nui, kia pai topo.